Today I'll show you how to check inequalities. And today we'll be using the graphing calculator. So here we have a multi-step inequality and we solved it and r was greater than or equal to 5. So in order to check it, we got to make sure the number 5 is correct. And we need to make sure that the arrow, the direction we're going, that the greater than sign is correct. So let's use our graphing calculator. First, we need to determine if the 5 is correct. If this number is correct, then you will get the same value on both sides of your inequality sign. So when I substitute 5 in for r, I should get a negative 144 on this side. Now, I certainly can manually do that in your head. It wouldn't take you very long, but I just want to show you a function on the calculator. So we're going to store this value in for r, and we're going to store it as x. So we're going to hit 5. And then we're going to go up right above the on key and hit the store key. So 5, store it, and then we're going to come up here by the alpha key, and it says all these symbols on there, but that's our x key. So we're going to hit x, and then we're going to hit enter. So now we've stored 5 for the value of x in our calculator. So anytime we type x, it's going to substitute the value of 5. So now all we have to do is type the left side of the inequality in. And that should equal negative 144. Remember to use x, not r. So that is a negative 144. So we know the number 5 is right. But how do we know that the symbol is correct? That we have the solution set is greater than 5, not less than 5. I mean, it had less than there, but we probably divided by a negative. But how do we know? So an easy way to think about it is anything that's part of the solution set, any number I substitute in, I will get a true statement if it's part of the solution set. And any number I substitute in that's not part of the solution set, I will get a false statement. So to make the math easy, I'm going to substitute 0 in, and I'm going to get a false statement because 0 is not part of my solution set. You can choose any number, but let's choose 0 to make the math easy. So 4 times 4 minus 8 times 0 is 0. Is that less than or equal to negative 144? 4 times 4 is less than negative 144. 16 is less than or equal to negative 144. So that's a false statement. So I know 0 is not part of the solution set. So I'm pretty confident that I know the 5 is correct and that the solution set is greater than or equal to 5. Let's try another one. Here I have an inequality, and b is less than negative 2 is my solution. So I'm going to just store it in, and I'm going to get, if I get 110 for the left side, then negative 2 is correct. So I'm just negative 2, store for x. Hit enter. And then type the left side of the equation in, replacing x for b. And I got 110. So I'm confident that the negative 2 part is correct. So again, I'm going to pick 0, and I'm going to anticipate that I want to get an incorrect, a false statement. I'm going to substitute 0 in for b's. So is 30 greater than 110? No, that's false. So 0 is not part of the solution set. So I'm confident that the less than sign is correct. Go ahead and try number 3. And try number 4.